my channel. So today here I'm going to show you a Christmas swap that I did off of not YouTube, Facebook, coffee cake and coffee cake and crafting. And so it was a really huge swap. So what I did was, this is a medium box, and on here I took some pattern paper, and also at the bottom you also have some pattern paper also at the bottom also. And so inside here I put some plate paper, or it's not plate paper, this is some kind of paper, what you call it. And then I put some of these beads at the bottom and some diamond dust. Also I put 3 different types of these sequins in here. There's like Christmas, so I put some snowmans in here with some white ones, and then I put some different colors of Christmas types. And then also I use these clear ones. So that's at the bottom. I've got a couple loose ones here floating around. So then I put on the outside, I did jingle all the way, cut apart. Then I put this cut apart here on the side that says mistletoe, holly, and poinsettia. And then on this one it's just a regular tree. And then here on this one I did Merry Christmas. So then on the edge I did gold adhesive gem from Dollar Tree, and I did some washi tape on the outside of this. And the washi tape says Merry Christmas, greetings, and Happy Holidays. And then on the outside, right here, I did some silver ones, silver adhesive gems, and I also did on this side here, but I didn't do it on these ends. That'll be too much. Then also what you had to do was, don't mind stuff here behind me. It's just that the way I had to use the camera to get everything in. So these out the way. Don't need those anymore. So what you had to do was alter a box. Ah! It was still wet. I used stickles and it was still wet. Crap. So what you had to do was alter a box. Originally I had altered a Christmas bag, which was too big for the box, so I had to re-alter a box. So what I did was alter a box that I got from Happy Meal. I took some Christmas paper, as you see. I used like 3 different kinds, and I put some washi tape on the bottom and on the sides. And then on this side I used snowman and a snowflake, and also the same way. On the top it says I have some trim here, and I use a snowflake, and it says a gift for you and a Christmas tree, and I stickled the snowman and the Christmas tree. I'm going to dry that before I put that in the box. I didn't realize it was still wet. Right. Then I stickled this poinsettia. It says jingle all the way, and I put this another cut apart and a shaker here. It shakes here. And then did a tree and a snowman. And I popped, this one's popped, this is like a, not like a type 3, like a 3 sticker type one. And I put some stickles here in the trees and a sticker in a hole here. And it says Merry Christmas. And once again, I put some more stickers. And I used some like this gold trim. So everything is supposed to fit in here. But soon tell. So what we had to do, like I said, it was a big swap. You had to make 3 tags. And so here you have the one that has like a duck and a globe, and you have some gold here and a snowflake type thing, like a twig type. Just that one. This one I did a car and a calendar behind it, and it says joy. And then here's a swan. It says fa la la la, and the snowflake. Like I did a 3D snowflake here, and I used like a little tiny twig behind here, behind there, and oh yeah, I used silver here, but I don't know what I did to make it silver because it's been so long since I did this. And I'll add some extra snowflake on here, and I did poinsettia on all 3 of them. So that's that. 2 tags. Then you had to do 2 sets of 4 of embellishments. Two sets didn't have to be made in 2 sets. You did have the embellishment. So for coffee, you have my 4 sets that embellished. I used some coffee. I did was this candy cane, a spoon, and I did a coffee, and I did like where you have like some like burnt marshmallows, and I did some snowflakes on them, and I did the spoon on different sides, and I did the candy canes on different sides. So that was the 4 of those that I had complete, and then I did 4 more that wasn't complete. One thing is I did like a little snowflake for her, and I made it like a little burnt for her. So that was that set. Those in there. Okay. Then get that in there. Get that poinsettia. Okay. Then the other set I had to make. Here's the other set. I made some boots. These ones are not complete, but I did these red and black ones. And then I also made some red and pink ones. And I have like some gold, his belt is like silver. And I did that. And the silver, it was funny because I did this one as a hotel. And I didn't have no silver paper with me. So what I did was take some silver washi tape. And that's what this is, silver washi tape. And that's how I got that. And I did like McMary and Cocoa. This one's a snowman and snowflake, and all has some gold behind there. And then this one has just the card and the boots, has some gold there. And then this one says Joy and the little boy and some gold there. So that's the set there that's completed. That's my 2 for 4 set of the embellishments. Then you had to make a memory decks. Here I cut the snowman and gold, everything's like, and then did like joyful, and then I did the poinsettia. And on the back you had to answer 3 questions. You had your name and your YouTube channel, and you had to do like your favorite album you liked in Christmas, which is Kurt Franklin. Actually, honestly, I don't really know. I really don't have a favorite album, but I do like Craig Franklin, so I picked him. And then you had to do a favorite gift that you got that you loved, or it was useful. What was the question? It was a useful gift that you got that you loved. So it was a spark kit that I got for the bathtub one year. It was like 10, 20 years ago. And it's really lovely. And actually, to this day, I still have it, actually. Then so you had to make some cards, 3x3 cards with some envelopes, and you had to make something to put it inside. So I made a piece of box, and so here you see some silver, that adhesive again, and then I did like December calendar and some the skates, and again the poinsettia. If I can get this in here. Then you had to, oh yeah, what happened, now what this is, you had to do Tiffany from Crafty Boss, she does hashtag 52 projects every Monday to keep your crafty mojo. So this is what I made, and it's also done sewing you, sorry, that wasn't to now. So here you have the seasonal greetings and again the calendar, and they have the house and a snowflake. Here I have a snowflake and a snowman, and it says mirroring. And inside here I have that a Christmas ball that had altered. Well, I didn't alter, I made it. But you had to make something like it was like an ornament, some type that you had to make, or whatever handmade item. So this was my handmade item I choose to make, and this looks like this. And I did a dangle with some charms here, and on the back I says Merry Christmas. So that was my handmade item I choose to make. This back in here. Okay. So, and this box was called, I linked this box below because this was, I think, 326, and I forget what kind of, it was some kind of box that you could do. So this is what this one was. I think I can get that in there. Stand one up. Stand this one up. Keep this in here. There we go. Almost got it in there. There we go. And the last thing, I made her. Why did I make the purse? I don't remember why I had to make the purse. But anyway, I made the purse for her, and inside here is some extra embellishments. They're blank. She can do what she wants them. So I made that. And so I put that in there. I can't believe I did everything in here. Oh my gosh. And that's what you had to do. And then finally, least thing you had to do, you had to get a $5, you had to get $5 gift. Not anything, it had to be worth $5. But being me, I only won $5. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because that's just me. I'm just that kind of person. So she has 5 of those. And so the true test is, maybe I should take this shot. But it's so pretty. And I'll leave it open for her. I really don't want to. So, I don't like that. And then some of these gifts in there. That kind of like that. Oops, gotta be careful. Let's stick those some back still. Can I get that in like that? There we go. And that is everything, guys. Thanks you for watching. I'm packing the swap. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.